In today's fast-paced, technology-led world, standing still isn't an option. At ITI Group, we use innovative solutions to create a safer, more efficient, more sustainable future. We recently collaborated with a multinational technology company facing high-stakes challenges. Rising support costs across hundreds of sites, legacy systems that were costly to adapt, no visibility globally of site performance. They needed a partner who could move fast, think big, and scale globally. In 2023, through collaboration with our client, we brought to life a vision to provide insights into a global network of facilities. By 2024, it was live at over 200 sites across Europe and North America, deployed rapidly using a templated, no-code approach. Remote monitoring and control enabled live tracking of performance, downtime, alarms, and energy use. By 2025, the program was scaling faster. A global team of over 60 ITI specialists delivered 24/7 coverage across time zones. The breakthrough? Issues once needing on-site visits are now resolved remotely, in minutes. This wasn't just deployment, it was operational transformation at global scale. The results? Over 200 live sites, unified global performance data, lower support costs, faster response, smarter decisions, program ahead of schedule and exceeding targets. We enabled our client to continue to be ready, to be same-day ready. ITI Group, solving business problems to enable a safer, more efficient, more sustainable future.